Thanks, bro.
That was so hard to say. The swing.
Yeah, okay.
You can literally unzip. I'd rather have someone unzip my window.
There's so many different options for bread. Good grief.
Pastry grind, always.
Pastry grind is real. It's real. So we are headed to his college. He's got a class, and I'm actually gonna sit down with one of the advisors, and I'm gonna have an interview with them. I want to think about joining college. I don't know, just feeling those vibes, and I want to just drop a bunch of money on something irrelevant that I don't need. So I'm sitting down with somebody, and we're gonna talk about it. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that.
Yeah. Because I think you might be falling if you go. How can you?
Hey.
Actually, that's new.
It's the 1DX boys.
You're right, Mobile.
Oh yes.
1DX.
Is that how you spell mobile, right? Ready for college?
Is that a question? Not really.
Are you ever ready for college?
College? Yeah. College is never ready for me. That's the question.
Ooh. Get your 1DX ordered, bro?
I got my 1DX ordered. It's gonna be quite tight. I don't think it's gonna arrive. Well, it says it won't arrive on time, but at the same time,
fingers are seriously crossed.
Yeah, Dean's gonna release a few videos soon on like creators in Cape Town. And,
about this?
And James is one of the creators.
Hey, okay.
Now we're gonna go chase sunset. We're gonna have to see. It depends on where and when.
The sunsets.
Yeah. All right. I can't see shit all.
I think it's a good vlog.
As high as possible.
Yeah. Highest.
High as possible.
Here I am again, floating through the silence in my cold skin. My body is wearing thin. My fears tell me I'll never win. My body is wearing thin. And there's darkness here. The whole world I fear. In my room I seem to drown. But I won't let them take me down.